HDC-860, 861, multifunctional automatic splicing machine. Operating interface. Straightener for wire feeding. Cut to length. Side 1, seal inserting, online CCD, terminal crimping. Side 2, seal inserting, online CCD, terminal crimping. Wire transferring. Side 1, wire combining. Wire transferring. Side 2, wire combining. Automatic heat shrink tube inserting. HDC-861, U-shaped terminal crimping. Ultrasonic welding for splicing process. Central positioning for heat shrink tubes. Heat shrinking. Automatic product collecting. Finished product display. HDC-860, a trustworthy long-term partner.